Hi, welcome to another Agentic SaaS application where our focus is on managing memory. So this video is a slight variation of our previous video. In this video, we'll see how the user can manage the memory. So let's see the code first. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Here we have the code. It is identical to our previous video code. Here we are defining the SQLite file location and the SQLite memory object. Then here we are creating the Agento memory object. Remember, this is an agentic memory. So this is an intelligent memory where you can ask intelligent questions to manage the memory and also to search. We are clearing the memory. Here we are creating a string which acts as a primary key. So whenever we enter data, we also specify the user ID so that you can selectively retrieve information from the memory. This is where we are creating the agentic application. So this is our Agentic SaaS application. And there we are providing the memory. So remember, this is an agentic application. And this memory also is an agentic application. Okay. So this is also an agentic application. So the way the agent saves information into this memory is in an automated way, but this memory itself can parse information and contextually save or retrieve information. Okay, so now first thing that we are doing here is providing the user information. My name is John Doe. I like to hike in the mountain on weekends. Then we are querying the agent, asking what are my hobbies, to check if the agent is able to respond intelligently. Here we are printing all the memory items for that specific user ID, John Doe ID. These are similar to what we have seen before. And then we are doing something different. So here we are adding additional information. We are saying I like to paint. And then we are querying the information to confirm that information has been updated. So then John is saying I don't paint anymore. I draw instead. Memory is updated. Okay, then we are printing the user memory to confirm that the update has happened. And one more interesting thing that happens here is, here user is asking the agent to clear the memory, remove all existing memories of me, and we are passing the user ID so it knows which memory to delete. Okay, so that is one extra thing that happens in this demo. So let's see the working. So like before, I have the run.sh script, which is a Python environment script that creates the environment if not already present, and then it installs the dependencies. Okay, my name is John. I like to hike in the mountains on weekends. So here we are showing the tool calls. So let's wait for it to complete the run. Okay, so let's start from the top and understand it's working. Okay, so it starts from here. My name is John. I like to hike in the mountains on weekends. Now here it has made these tool calls. Remember, this is a memory tool call. So update user memory. Task user name is John Doe. Update user memory. Task user enjoys hiking in the mountains. So what you need to know is it has intelligently picked up the user name here and also picked up the hobby here from the user input. Why I am highlighting this is when you want to build your application, at that time you may not remember these things. So just watching these videos will make you know that these are possible. Okay, so next is the agent is responding. I have noticed that your name is John Doe and you enjoy hiking. Okay, now it says memory is updated. Here it's asking what are my hobbies. And from the previous conversation, I know that you enjoy hiking, etc. Now, this is the memory dump for the user, and then here the user says remove all existing memories of me. So here it's calling update user memory, and task is clear all existing memories of the users. So here this memory acts like a team of agents, one agent talking to another agent. All your existing memories have been cleared successfully. Now if you print the memory, clear all existing memories is what is there in the user memory. Now here user is saying I like to paint. It has updated the user memory. User likes to paint. Here user is saying I don't paint anymore, I draw instead. Okay, so it's saying I have updated the memory, and user used to like to paint, so it saves that also, and user likes to draw. So all this contextual information is being captured by the memory. So that is this tiny demo of how an agentic memory can be added to your Agentic SaaS application. So these tiny demo videos will come handy. Please give your valuable comments, and remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.